Hello and welcome to the world of Craig. Yes, I know they are some pretty hair colour formulas. Keep on watching to find out why I think swatching is everything. First up, let's have a look at the swatches themselves. Now, I'm constantly asked on my Instagram where I get mine from. And that's right, they're from Pivot Point, the most amazing hair education brand. If you want to get creative with hair colour, then these are a must. And as always, I'll link them in the description box below. Okay, it's time to get into those swatch books. Now, I've been swatching out hair colour for the last 10 years, and this very folder is a great example of why I feel it's so important. Everything you see in this folder is Pravana. I joined the collective for Europe a few months back, and I've been swatching like crazy. I've been swatching things on their own and mixing up formulas. It's the best way to get to know any line of hair colour before you start using it on clients or ultimately start teaching it. Now, as a pro hairdresser, you may be watching this thinking, but I know the colour lines I use inside out and back to front. Well, that's what I thought after 15 years of using Shein Gloss. Yes, all of these folders, and there are some more, are all that colour line. But you know, when I started swatching them out 10 years ago, it made me so much more creative, meaning I could offer my clients different formulas, and I even started using some of the things in the dispensary I'd never used before. You might well be wondering where my folders are from. Well, they're actually business card holders. And seeing as we don't really have business cards anymore, what better way is there than to fill them up with beautiful hair colour swatches? This folder is a mix of miscellaneous direct dyes, permanent colours and some demi-permanents. And here's a fun fact, if I ever travel with these, they always go in my hand luggage. So why not get yourself some swatches, get mixing and formulating, and learn everything you can about the colour line you're using. Knowledge is power, and you might find your favourite formula along the way. You can find several series here on my channel that utilise both swatches and formulas to share hair colour theory with everybody. As always, if you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a like, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to turn on your notifications. I have a YouTube channel that has more formulas in it and is packed with my hair day to day. That's it for this time. You all take lots of care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.